Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we're looking at the NoteGPT. This is a very new AI model that's out that basically has to do with summaries and creating interesting stuff. Let's dive right into it. So when you visit the website NoteGPT.io, you would be greeted with an interface similar to this. So it's dark theme. If you prefer the light theme, you can click this particular icon over here and it will bring you to the lighter theme, and I prefer this one. So we would be looking at the YouTube video summarizer, which is a very important tool. So it can also generate YouTube transcripts. It also has transcribe by YouTube to text, video to text, audio to text, speech to text, and it goes on and on and on and on. So these are basically some of the functionalities of the NoteGPT. And let's see more tools. AI presentation, PDF translator. So basically it can do a lot of interesting stuff when it comes to text, summaries, and presentations. So I'll click on the AI YouTube and click YouTube Summarizer. I'll head over to my YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/CAlebCadeno, and I'll look for one of my videos. So I'll right click and copy the link, head over to the NoteGPT, paste it, and click generate summary. So it will load and take a time to write the summary. And when you look over here, you realize you can even get a mind map of the video that you provided. So you can also have an AI chat, ask it interesting questions about the video that you provided, and it would answer you accordingly. So this is a summary of the video, and even tabulated some of the functionalities that I describe inside my YouTube video. So one small thing is sometimes you may have to copy and edit. So valeting is VALETON. So yeah, basically that's some of the challenges that come with AI, but it can easily be resolved. You can click to download in TXT, which is text format with timestamps, text format without timestamps, SRT with timestamps, SRT without timestamps. So I'll click this and it will download. I would open my text editor and let me drag this into the text editor and turn on word wrap. So over here you can see it gives you the timestamp, yeah. So basically it just generates a text version of whatever that I said in the video, or whatever that was said in the video that you chose or you choose. You can also download the SRT version. You can submit the SRT as subtitles for your YouTube video, especially when it comes to language translations, which helps people who can't speak English. So you realize when after choosing the subtitles and then downloading, you realize I get a more cleaner version, which is more suited for YouTube subtitles or captions. It can also generate chapters for the video that you submitted. So over here for this particular video, I already have my chapters on YouTube already. So let me get then a newer video that I haven't provided chapters. Okay, let me go with this one. So back, I'll paste this. Okay, I think I already have it here. So let's see the chapters. Okay, so basically these are the chapters of that can be used for this particular video. So I can copy with timestamp, come over to my YouTube dashboard, head over to the video. I would say chapters. I'll paste this and eliminate some of the sub information that was provided, and then I'll just go with this. So I would remove this timestamp and then bring it here, undo, Control V, and I would save. But before I save, let's watch the video. A video without chapters, this is how it will look like. But when there's chapters, you would have extra parameter over here. So let me quickly save that. So you realize they pop up over here next to the timestamp, and I can easily use it, and I can jump between them, and it goes straight to the spot that is required. It also has a mind map section where it creates a detailed mind map. When you click on it, you would get a broken down version of whatever the video was talking about. Let's ask. Okay, so I asked a question about the video that I added or used as reference, and it gave me a whole lot of information. But I was expecting to get like a direct answer, something like this. Use either Windows 10 or Mac OS to carry out these tasks. So basically these are some of the challenges, but I believe they would work on it. So yeah, you can convert this into a presentation. So once it's done, you go to the next step, and then you choose a template that you would want. Let's go with this. Next step. So once it's done, it will load and show you the PowerPoint presentation that it generated, and you can click edit to make edit to the PowerPoint presentation. So this is supposed to be validated like this. So basically, yeah, it does majority of the work for you, and yours is to just basically edit where you deem fit, and it would work perfectly. Once you are done editing, it automatically saves. So it has been saved successfully. I would refresh this particular page, and you would realize the spellings has been improved. So try NoteGPT out, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I would reply. Thanks for watching.